Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make multiple text boxes same size in a Zoho Writer. Let's get started. At first, open your Zoho Writer document, then select the three dot drop down menu and select the insert option. Now I am select the text box. Now we can see we add a text box. Now I am write something. Now I am click another side and select the insert menu again and select another text box, then click outside and move the text box another side. Now I am select the second text box and write another text. Now we go to again the insert menu and insert another text box, then write another text. Now we can see we insert multiple text box. Now we want to resize or make the text box same size, select the text box, then go to the setting option and select the height and width. Now I am the select the width is 100 and the height is 100, then select another text box. Now I am select this and make the height and width is all same. Now we can see we make multiple text box and make the text box same size easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.